Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a potentially game-changing and frankly, a little bit scary development in the world of AI and finance. Visa, yes, the credit card giant, just announced they're planning to unleash AI agents that can shop on your behalf. I know, it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But is this the future of convenience or a privacy nightmare waiting to happen? Stick around, because we're going to break down exactly what Visa is planning, the potential risks, and whether you should be worried about handing over your credit card info to an AI. This is huge, and you need to know what's coming. Okay, so what exactly is Visa up to? They're calling this initiative Visa Intelligent Commerce, and the basic idea is to let an AI agent, an autonomous AI model, control your credit card to make purchases for you. Think of it like a personal shopper, but instead of a human, it's an AI that knows your budget, your preferences, and can automatically buy things like groceries, clothing, or even book travel. Visa is partnering with some of the biggest names in the AI world, including OpenAI, Microsoft, Anthropic, Perplexity, Mistral AI, IBM, Samsung, and Stripe. They envision a future where millions of people rely on AI to find the perfect sweater, research vacation spots, or fulfill their grocery lists. According to Visa's Chief Product and Strategy Officer, Jack Forrestal, this is a new standard for a new era of commerce, just like the shift from physical shopping to online, and from online to mobile. To make this all work, Visa is planning to offer AI-ready cards that ditch traditional credit card details in favor of tokenized digital credentials. This means your actual credit card number won't be directly exposed to the AI agent. Instead, a unique token is used for each transaction, which Visa claims will be more secure. They emphasize that only the consumer can instruct the agent on what to do and when to activate a payment credential. Forrestal imagines customers using AI agents to perform routine errands like shopping for groceries or handling complicated purchases like travel bookings. He doesn't think it'll replace shopping experiences we actually enjoy, like buying luxury goods, but rather take a secondary, advice-giving role. So, in theory, you'd still pick out that fancy watch yourself, but your AI could handle the weekly grocery run. But here's where things get a little dicey. This whole system relies on you trusting a technology that is notoriously error-prone and fraught with security risks with your sensitive financial records. We're talking about giving an AI access to your past purchases, your spending habits, and your personal preferences. And let's not forget about the AI developers themselves. Access to this valuable credit card information is what's enticing these companies to work with Visa in the first place. Dmitry Shevelenko, Perplexity's chief business officer, told the Associated Press that Visa has the ability for a user to consent to share streams of their transaction history with them. This data would then be used to generate recommendations. So, when you ask, what are the best laptops? The AI would know what other transactions you've made and your revealed preferences from those transactions. This raises serious questions about data privacy and how this information will be used and protected. And Visa isn't the only one jumping on the AI bandwagon. MasterCard announced its own AI agent initiative called Agent Pay just a day earlier, featuring some of the same collaborators including Microsoft, OpenAI, and IBM. Like Visa's, the MasterCard AI agent will be able to make recommendations through conversational interactions and pull the trigger on purchases. So, it seems like the major players in the credit card industry are all betting big on AI-powered shopping. But how will these AI credit card crossovers actually work in practice? The initial glimpses of AI agent shopping haven't been very impressive. Users of OpenAI's Operator AI agent have complained that it can be excruciatingly slow while performing tasks like buying groceries or ordering takeout. It also requires constant babysitting, with a human needing to enter passwords, credit card info, and ultimately approve purchases. Visa is hoping that their collaboration with tech companies will enable the AI agents to actually make the purchases by themselves, without needing a human to step in. As Forrestal told AP, the payments problem is not something the AI platforms can solve by themselves. That's why we started working with them. Now, let's talk about trust. Are you really ready to trust an AI with your money? These systems are trained on massive datasets, and while they can be incredibly powerful, they're not perfect. They can make mistakes, misinterpret your preferences, or even fall victim to biases in the data they're trained on. Imagine your AI agent accidentally buying you 100 pounds of bananas because it misinterpreted a voice command, or consistently recommending expensive brands because it was trained on data that overemphasizes luxury goods. These errors could be costly and frustrating. Furthermore, there's the risk of these AI agents being hacked or manipulated. If a malicious actor gains control of your AI agent, they could potentially make unauthorized purchases or steal your financial information. The security implications are significant, and it's crucial that Visa and other companies implementing these systems have robust safeguards in place to protect against these threats. We need to ask ourselves, are the convenience and efficiency gains worth the potential risks to our financial security and privacy? Another major concern is data privacy. As we discussed earlier, these AI agents need access to your transaction history and spending habits to provide personalized recommendations and make informed purchasing decisions. But who else will have access to this data? Will it be shared with third-party advertisers? Will it be used to create targeted marketing campaigns? Will it be sold to data brokers? The potential for misuse of this data is significant, and it's essential that consumers have control over how their information is used. Visa claims that consumers will be able to control what data is shared with the AI agents, but it remains to be seen how easy and transparent this process will be in practice. We need clear, understandable privacy policies and robust data protection measures to ensure that our financial information is not being exploited. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, https://gdpr-info.eu. In Europe, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, https://oag.gov/privacy/ccpa, are examples of legislation that aim to protect consumer data privacy. But the effectiveness of these laws in the context of AI-powered shopping remains to be seen. Furthermore, the concept of differential privacy, as described in the paper, The Algorithmic Foundations of Differential Privacy, https://upenn.edu/aroth/papers/privacybook.pdf by Dwork and Roth, could be applied to anonymize transaction data and protect individual privacy while still allowing AI agents to learn and make recommendations. However, implementing differential privacy effectively requires careful consideration of the trade-offs between privacy and utility. So what's the bottom line? Visa's plan to unleash AI agents for shopping is a bold move that could potentially revolutionize online commerce. But it also raises some serious questions about privacy, security, and trust. While the convenience and efficiency gains are appealing, we need to be aware of the potential risks and demand strong safeguards to protect our financial information. Before you hand over your credit card info to an AI, make sure you understand the privacy policies, the security measures in place, and the potential for errors or misuse. And remember, you're in control. You can always choose to opt out and stick to shopping the old-fashioned way. The future of AI commerce is uncertain, but one thing is clear. It's crucial that we have these conversations now to ensure that this technology is developed and implemented responsibly. What do you think? Are you excited about the prospect of AI agents shopping for you? Or are you worried about the potential risks? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI developments. Thanks for watching.